Here today we have for our talk show Amanda from Crafters Autonomous and Claire from the Bailey family.
And the Kool-Aid Man spoon. Hey crafters, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Crafters Autonomous. So yes, it's me, Amanda, here today, and I also have a special guest. This is my friend Claire. So Claire I have known since before she was born. She's a family friend. So I'm actually on vacation. I got to visit her, and she is an expert at making
slime.
Yes. So today she's going to teach me how to make slime. So let's start with what we got from the dollar store, and then she's gonna fill us in and walk us through the steps because I don't even know how to make it yet. So we're gonna all learn together today. First thing she said we need was glue. Went to the dollar store, they had Elmer's glue there. We went to Dollar Tree. I got 2 Elmer's glue.
I'm not even sure if this is gonna work, but
it's like
Jot
white glue. She's gonna test that one out with hers. Next thing that Claire says we need is foaming hand soap. It's dripping on me. It smells good though. This is fresh scent, whatever that means.
See now.
Yeah, so foaming hand soap. Again, we got this at the dollar store. She's gonna tell me what we're gonna do with this and all. And then, am I using the dough?
Yes.
Is that okay?
I'm gonna use this.
So I'm making slime with this dough, craft dough fun. Again, from the dollar store. So all these items we've shown you are just $1, which is super nice.
So it's supposed to be like butter slime and like a snow slime sort of?
Okay, butter slime
We'll say that.
and snow slime.
Yes.
So to get the snow slime, she's got this floral foam. We just got these cubes of it. You know, it's the stuff that you can crush. It's
Satisfying.
yes. So she's gonna crush that up into hers. Oh yeah, and the sequins. We've got sequins we're gonna mix in just for an extra texture. Do you want to divide up which sequins we each get?
I just gave each of us a different kind.
Okay, cool. So these are our ingredients. Oh yes, other supplies.
You can't really make it without this.
Yes, container, something to mix it with. I've got this awesome Kool-Aid Man spoon. The very last thing we need is this. Claire, you want to explain what that is?
So, some people use Stafflo, but I use borax and hot water. You just basically boil water, microwave water, and then put as much borax as you want. You can put a lot, but it's just not as nice to make slime with because it makes it harder faster. If that makes sense.
So if we use less, it keeps it
Yeah,
soft.
you
but
just
then more
use
makes
a
it
little at
harder.
a time.
Okay, good to know. So that's a tip right there. So not exact measurements. That's what we've got, and Claire's gonna teach me what to do.
Okay. You're just gonna pour in your glue.
Okay, this is gonna actually be lots of fun.
Oh, this is.
Ooh, it's fancy.
Sounds weird. Mine
Do I just dump this in?
Yeah, just
Okay.
dump it all in. Whoa.
Dump in all the glue.
I think these are. Ooh, this one smells gross.
This one doesn't smell bad. What does that one smell like?
It's really slimy. Gooey.
Ew, that is.
Yeah.
It's almost. Everything's been smelling citrusy today.
Yeah.
It smells like rotten citrus or something.
Mangoes is what you said earlier.
Yeah, mangoes. Yeah, the paint really smelled like mangoes.
This is mine's really runny. Yours
Even
is
I'm
thicker.
smelling that.
You are?
It smells fruity.
I wonder if we'll have to add extra borax.
These
So that
ones,
one-
the Jot ones have sealed on them.
Fancy.
And I think you'll.
One.
Did you already put one in?
I put one in. So do
I think
the
you
second
might have-
one, or do you just part of the second one?
You put both in.
Okay.
Because since these ones, we got the tiny ones.
Yeah, these ones are 4 ounce size.
Yeah.
So I'm
most of
putting
them
in
are
3 ounce.
that big.
Yeah, the bigger ones.
When you're done with that, we'll put in this. We were gonna put in shaving cream, but if we're gonna do this, it'll make it snow will come out easier. As in, whenever I put the sand in the slime, the fake sand, it would come off on your hands because I put shaving cream on it.
Oh, so it just doesn't bond as well. I
Yeah,
guess.
same with this. Shaving cream. It has one of the same things as borax, so it activates it a little bit and
so it
makes
goes,
it
too
harder.
much.
Yeah. So we're gonna put in 4 squirts.
4 squirts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
You can add in
What?
more later because it kind of makes it softer and
1,
stretchier.
2, 3, 4. I wonder who first thought of these recipes. I know I'm gonna mix glue and soap.
Just put all of these things together and maybe it'll make something very interesting.
Maybe you had glue on your hands and then you went to wash your hands and then you're like, whoa, I make slime.
You can actually add in a little more because I thought we were gonna have less glue than this. Just add in 4 more.
Oh, I feel it already kind of like thickening weird.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, so you like add them 4 at a time?
Yeah. Well, I thought we were gonna have like less glue, but I bet they can hear the rain. So it is already like thicker, and you can tell that we put it in, but
yeah.
okay. So we're not gonna add in the clay and the styrofoam until after, and then we can put in our sequins.
Sequins next. Ooh, I beat you.
Because it's not clear slime. It would look better with clear slime.
It just look like chunky. They look like chocolate chips in here, honestly.
Yeah,
I
like
feel
red
like I'm
chocolate
baking
chips.
like pancakes with chocolate chips.
This is our food recipe.
Don't eat it, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna add, just do 2 squirts for now, because I did add a good amount of borax.
And you can always add more as you go, right?
My trash is flying away. Yes, you can.
So yeah, that's like definitely a good thing about this is there's a little bit of wiggle room. So you can always start with less and then add more.
I just added 4 in because it's not as strong as I thought. Like with clear slime, it activates slower. So you add the borax in, and it's like seems very watery, and you keep stirring it, but nothing happens. And then like whenever you put a lot in, it'll just like become like. That's what I don't make clear slime anymore. I add 5. It's because I never make a good one. And the last time that I made a decent one, I added a lot of water in it, and it just like stuck to your hand.
Nice. Yeah, you'll have to show the viewers like your Cole slime collection. She had this one that she was like did this cool thing and made like a bubble. It's really cool. I was practicing.
Before I had 20 slimes, because in my old desk that I had, it looked like 3 drawers, but it was actually one big cabinet. And so I just like had a bunch of containers and a bunch of slime in there. This borax is not working. I'm just gonna
Claire,
pour
that
some
you
in.
me.
I do. You want me to pour it in?
I'll try pouring it just so I can be
Okay.
like, I made slime. Next, pour in some more borax.
Here, it's working now. I'm not gonna add any more in, I don't think. Because it's like,
Oh
or
yeah.
actually, I might actually put more in because
It's
it's
getting
starting to get
thicker.
water again.
You can see them stirring it. It's kind of gunking up now that I've added a bunch more.
At the end, if it's like not stretchy, we can add some hand soap.
Okay.
Because I used to put in like shampoo and conditioner. This is like a talk show.
I
It's
know,
like,
right? Welcome to the Amanda and Claire talk show. Tutorial
Most people-
Tuesdays have been taken over by talk shows.
it smells like nail polish remover.
I think it's the soap.
Smell mine.
Oh yeah, it does. Yours smells different. Is it? Maybe that's the glue in, because mine smells like.
Yours
I feel like we
smells
probably
normal.
shouldn't just be like inhaling
Like-
these chemicals.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh my god, I feel great.
Yeah,
Just like
it's
my
like-
brain, I'm like.
It like seems very thick, and then as you start to stir it, and it like the borax actually starts to get everywhere
Like
inside of the slime.
balloons
It's
stuff.
yeah, it starts to become watery again.
Okay.
Just splashed myself with borax. I tried like dropping it in and it just splashed me. Oh my god. You're like vicious.
I'm trying to like scrape it off the side.
Might as well just stir it with my hands by now. I just got glue. Yeah. Well,
Okay. Yeah, my hands.
do you want to just use your hand now? Because I just got
Let's
it on my
go.
hand.
We're getting down and dirty now. This is
Yeah.
beautiful.
Note that I have not made slime in like months.
I thought you were the expert.
I am an expert. The sequins feels super weird.
I know.
Definitely smells like nail polish.
Now this is getting cool.
Didn't I let you smell my glue at the beginning?
Yes.
The sequins actually makes it kind of crunchy. You know, I probably shouldn't have added sequins if I'm making it like a snow slime. Okay, mine's fine.
It's like
getting
snow
thick.
and ice. Okay, so with mine, you think I need to just mix mine more, or do you think I need
Just
to
continue
like...
to mix it because I thought
Okay.
mine was really gooey, and as I started to knead it, it was.
I'm like a duck. Look at my hand, it's like a duck.
My
Okay,
Lord.
we're gonna get
Add a little bit.
eat them more.
It is like pouring.
I know.
And then whenever you're done eating your slime, we can add in the
You're
stuff.
like so like ahead of me, and I'm just here like, I'm trying, man.
That was a sad bubble. I'm gonna move things away so I can get it.
Yeah, show the people the bubble.
I already made a baby bubble. You can't even speak. It's like I try to say 2 words at a time because I'm speaking so fast.
That's like one of the hardest things about YouTubing is talking slow enough.
There we go.
Nice. Oops.
Whoa. Another thing I used to do was like hold it up till it was like really thin and I would blow in it.
Nice,
Like as I'm holding
bubble.
it.
Okay, do you think I maybe need slightly more?
Let me touch it. Do you want me to knead it for you? And play with
Am
my
I just
slime?
like, am I just like terrible
You
at
might.
this?
That's what
Let's try this. Okay. We're gonna see if she has the magic touch.
Oh. Okay, yeah, actually.
Actually.
What have you done? You added like so much borax too. This is like a hurricane going on
I
outside.
know, right? We're just like here chilling, making slime.
It wasn't even
The
raining
world
when we
is-
started.
Oh, this feels so amazing. Yeah, now I can clean it all off my hands.
Yours is very thin.
So then you add more borax to thicken it up,
Well,
or would you add more? What would you do at this point?
well, some people like I don't know why yours is like this, but some people whenever theirs is very thin, it's because they add water to it.
Okay.
Like all the slimes that people used to make was only thin, and then they started adding random things into it.
I
But
forgot what made it thick.
maybe you added a lot of. Well, yours I think had less slime, like less glue inside the bottle.
Probably.
So maybe it's because you added more
Of the
of this.
same amount.
Yeah. So it was
That
probably
makes
just
sense.
like you followed my instructions too well. So do you have hot hands? Do you know if you have hot hands?
I do not. My hands are like always cold.
Okay. Because I was thinking
So
maybe
that's
that's why.
probably. Thank you. It's kind of cool though when you pull it and then suddenly you see sequins. So you could stop here with your slime, I suppose. And mine right now, it's almost like oobleck that you make with water and cornstarch, where like when you hit it and you apply hard forces, it's solid. But then when like you're not, it just kind of runs. So we're gonna add the stuff.
What's up, crafters? It's Amanda here.
Hey guys, it's Beck Pie from Beck Pie's Slice of Life. I'm taking over Amanda's channel, Crafters Autonomous. I'm going to be taking over with a spoon, and if she comes back, I'm going to beat her with it, and then glue her to the wall, and stick sequins on her, and then put soap in her mouth. I
Just
don't know
kidding,
why.
we're making slime.